Hi students, warm greetings to you all. This is your maths mentor Valli. In this video we are going to see exercise 1.1 fourth sum. Represent the following sets in the roster form. First sum is given as A equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So we have to write all the elements which are all in the set A. Roster form means we have to list out all the elements. So as we all know that the natural numbers, even natural numbers start from 2 and it is given that it is less than 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, next sum, set B equal to set of all y such that y equal to 1 by 2n, n belongs to n less than or equal to 5. Okay, now n belongs to n means it belongs to natural numbers. So n starts with 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it's given as less than or equal to sign is that. So 5 is also included. If ever it is given as n less than 5 means you have to stop with 4. Okay, now the value of n we have found out. Since it is given as n belongs to n and n less than or equal to 5, the value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here we are going to list out set of all y. The formula for y is given as y equal to 1 by 2n. So when n equal to 1, the value of y becomes y equal to 1 by 2 into 1, 2n. So value of n is 1. So 1 by 2. Now value of y for n equal to 2 is y equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 4. So and so on. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 5. So the set B is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. Third sum, C equal to set of all x such that x is a perfect cube. And also the condition is given as x is greater than 27, less than 216. You have to read this as x is greater than 27, less than 216. And let us find, now we all know that 27 is 3 cube. So 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216. And it obviously x is greater than 27 means the 27 should not be included. And also another condition is less than 216. So the numbers left over are 64 and 125. So set C contains 64 and 125. Fourth sum. D is given as set of all x such that x belongs to Z, and as I told you that you have to read this as x greater than minus 5, less than or equal to 2. Since equal to is given there, so 2 is included. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. How means on a number line, when we move in the right side, the numbers increases. See, the number greater than 1 is 2. The number greater than 2 is 3. So likewise, number greater than minus 5 is minus 4. The number greater than minus 4 is minus 3. So when we move in the right side of the number line, the numbers increases. When we move to the left side, it decreases. As we know that the number greater than minus 5 is minus 4 from the number line. So I have listed minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Fifth sum, represent the following sets in the set builder form. The sum is B equal to set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day. Now set builder form means, as I have told you, whatever may be the sum, give a name to the set and begin with set of all x such that. So likewise I have given the name as B. B equal to set of all x such that x is an Indian cricket player who scored double centuries in one day international. Now second sum is given as C equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. As I told you, the name already given is B, so I have written B, and here C equal to set of all x such that So set builder form means you have to give the name for the set or the given name already for the set, and set of all x such that you have to start. This is very very important. And x equal to, we are going to list out x, and x formula is, see that 1 here in the numerator we have 1, denominator 1 plus 1, numerator 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1. So x equal to n by n plus 1, where n belongs to natural numbers n. And now the third sum is D equal to set of all Tamil months in a year. So already they have given the name for the set, set D equal to set of all x such that x is a Tamil month in a year. Now fourth sum, E equal to set of odd whole numbers less than 9. So set E equal to set of all x such that x is the odd whole numbers less than 9. Sixth sum, represent the following sets in the descriptive form. Descriptive means we have to describe the characters of the set. Now this first sum is P equal to January, June, July. You can see that all the months starts with the letter J. So set P equal to set of English months starting with J. Second sum, Q equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So Q equal to, and if you go through these numbers, these are all the prime numbers. And also it is greater than 5 and less than 31. The set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. Third sum, set R equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n, x less than 5. Belongs to n means it is natural numbers, and less than 5. The set of natural numbers less than 5. Fourth sum, set S equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. S equal to the set of English consonant. In all this, the descriptive form means you have to start with the letter the set. Set builder form means you have to start with set of all x.